If you're feeling bored, burnt out, tired of anything in life, this could really help. Please do not miss out on this. For the past however long people have been on this earth, it has been our natural instinct to copy other people. Okay, for example, if you're walking to the bookstore and you go in the bookstore, you're looking at books, and then all of a sudden, you see everyone in this bookstore start running away. They drop their books, they just sprint out the door. Every single one of them, even the workers. You're probably going to do the same thing. If you just see a lot of people laughing, smiling, you're probably going to start doing that too. You're probably going to start smiling, laughing, wondering what's going on. You're going to start copying people because it's seen like if you're the odd one out, you can be easily picked on. So you don't want to do that. You want to blend in. You want to be like everyone else, so you're not seen as weird or you're seen as normal. But now in life, that's a big weakness. Now you're just blurred into society. You're another person. You're another statistic. Well, however you say that word. You're predictable. You're just another person, just another human being trying to make it through life. I don't think I have all the solutions to life, by the way. I don't think I'm some expert. I'm just going along the journey, sharing my thoughts, but I've strongly noticed that a lot of the people who don't follow the rules, who are risk takers, who do unpredictable things, have a higher likelihood of achieving success. Whether it's people like Kanye West or just some sports player who plays unorthodoxly, you're going to have success if you can't be read, if you're not just another soccer player, or you're not just another musical artist, or you're just not another person, you're just not another YouTube channel, stuff like that. And it's not just being normal, classified as normal is bad, or being average is bad. It's not just like the name to it, but what actually being average or what being normal looks like. What does being average look like? It looks like spending your whole day on your phone, doing XYZ, eating junk food, sitting inside most of the day. I'm not saying these are bad, inherently bad things, like you can never eat junk food or something, but on a day-to-day life, doing the same things, not taking any risks, not taking any chances, not going out your way to do stuff, just letting life happen to you, and just being a product that big corporations and stuff just use. They use you so you can just consume their stuff. You just consume, consume, consume. That's what being normal looks like, whether you want to admit it or not. It's the truth. That's what a normal person is. The average day in the life. But I believe it's a lot easier than you might think to actually change from just being a regular guy going through his life to actually being like that one guy who's different, who can change, who doesn't just follow the script. Because life is boring doing the same stuff every single time. Life is boring sitting on your phone all day. Nothing interesting happens. You don't just watch a show or a movie about some guy just sitting on his phone all day. He's actually doing stuff, whether it's like some going to an event, traveling around the world and stuff, doing more interesting things. And it doesn't just have to be stuff that costs a lot of money, or, you know, like be born a rich kid and stuff like that. It's just stuff you have to do to take action, to take steps towards doing stuff a bit uncomfortably. That's how life feels a lot more interesting. Genuinely, like, every show, every cartoon, every movie, it's just people maybe living ordinary lives, but they make a change, they do something different. They take action on something. They don't necessarily just always wait for an opportunity to come to them. They take action in their life, and they work towards goals and desires and get the outcome. Really. Like Phineas and Ferb, for example. One of my favorite shows I watched as a kid. SpongeBob. They do some type of challenge quest every single day. They decided to show up, get a job, work, not be unemployed, and make a change in their life. Don't view life as just like, oh, he's lucky that this happened to him, or that stuff just gets handed to you on a plate. You can genuinely change by yourself. One day I just woke up and was like, all right, I want to start a YouTube channel. I did that every day consistently, and I'm not like the coolest, greatest channel maybe, I don't know, but I've been able to grow it just because I didn't want to live a normal life where I just consume. The more I create opportunities, create videos, create moments that happen in my life, the more you create and the less you consume, the more different and unique your life will be. Your life won't be great in the long term just if you work out 7 times a day, you make a lot of money, you get a girl finally. It's not those things. It's if you live a life that's your own. That's what's gonna make life different, unique, interesting. And then all the byproducts of your living your authentic self is just going to come to you naturally, better. I hope I'm not sounding too rude or like I'm talking down on you. I'm in this with you. We just don't have to be victims to society and the big corporations and being stuck in a scroll trap every day. We don't have to follow what they want us to do. We can be different than them. We can make a change in our life. This past summer, I've literally just been exploring around where I live, making more YouTube videos, having fun like that, making friends, going out. All of those things I decided to do and I wanted to do, and it made my life so much more interesting. I had a lot more fun. I made my summer count. I made more friends, made more money, and I also learned a lot more than I would if I would have just been scrolling on my phone. Doing real, genuine stuff in your life is going to be a lot better. Always. It's always going to be better to go outside to do stuff than it is to just scroll on your phone. Health is wealth, and if you're healthy in those things, it's going to serve you in the long run forever. Stop following everyone. Stop being like all of them, because I know we can actually change, and we and you can get better. We're in this together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more videos. Check the like-minded community in the description. I really hope you have a great day. Make this count. Make what I said stick to you. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Peace.